Can you gum off that ramp like I used to not be able to do it? Go on top of that, where the soda can is, and jump off the ramp. Look how steep this ramp is. It goes straight down. Yeah. Ooh, nice. Used to not be able to do that a year ago.